कुछ कहानियाँ ऐसी होती हैं जिनको समय रहते लोगों तक पहुंचा देना चाहिए। अगर वो कहानियाँ लोगों तक नहीं पहुंचती तो शायद हम एक ह्यूमन सोसाइटी में एज अ ह्यूमन फेल हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि ये कहानी है जोश की, जज्बात की और कभी ना हार मानने वाले एटीट्यूड की। हाँ, हम आ गए हैं आशाएं द स्पास्टिक सेंटर में। सेंटर को अच्छे से समझने के लिए हमें सेंटर की शान और जान मीरा मैम से मिलना होगा। तो अभी हम चलेंगे मीरा मैम से और वही हमको दिखाएंगे कि सेंटर कैसा है। So today we are at Asha in the Spastic Center and we'll be talking to Meera ma'am, the director of the center. How are you, ma'am?
Oh, fine.
Can you show us the center, ma'am?
Welcome, welcome all of you all.
तो मैम आपने सेंटर कब कितने साल पहले ज्वाइन किया?
In 1990.
1990. मैं I can count like 10 और इधर ये 34 साल. 34 years you're to this center.
And don't ask me how the time has flown. Huh?
Obviously, I can see that. So basically, आप जब सेंटर में आई थी तो बाल काले थे आपके.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
तो उसकी स्टोरी क्या है? Like आपने सेंटर ज्वाइन.
See, I was a teacher, but I was out of Kanpur. When I came to Kanpur, I got married and I came to Kanpur. नहीं तो नहीं आता.
कानून नहीं आया.
Then soon I had my children. One was born in 80. Soon after getting married, and 2 years later, my son was born. So my family was complete. So when my son went to kindergarten,
जी.
I came here. He used to go to kindergarten for 3 years. I used to be here for 3 years.
So this is your kindergarten.
This is my and it just coincided.
And then who picked you like?
Actually, I was very, very lucky. The founder of the organization, Mrs. Singh, Mrs. Santosh Mahendrajit Singh, she was the one who welcomed me to the center, and I was trained under her because she was so clear in her working. She and was another lady, Mrs. Bimla Vig. Yeah, and there were a host of other women who volunteered. Mrs. Dr. Kalra's wife, Mrs. Kalra. Then Mrs. Sethi. Then there were a lot of volunteers at that time.
Okay.
So it was a nice community to be part of.
So basically you're carrying Mrs. Singh's vision till now.
Absolutely.
So,
they are the ones who established it. They started somewhere in April, and I joined in August.
So you're here from starting of the center?
Yeah. The few months in between was the thing.
Yeah.
But it's very interesting the way we worked it out, you know.
What was her vision like?
We were only meant to be cerebral palsy.
Okay.
CP, only for CP children.
CP children.
But subsequently, we were the only center. So children with MR, mental retardation, children with autism, children with other disabilities started coming. Now, we could not refuse. That time Mrs. Singh was there. She used to take the admissions and all, and finally she realized we cannot go on refusing people. So we started taking mental retardation.
Can we subsequently
show
visit the center? Yeah, show the center. So मतलब आइडिया ये था, वही स्टार्ट हमने किया एक छोटी सी चीज से, सीपी से, फिर जैसे जैसे हमारे पास पेशेंट्स आते रहे हम
we started increasing.
This is preschool and it is headed by
Mrs. Kapoor. She's also a long old timer over here, and a wonderful person with the children. Very wonderful. She deals very well with the children. New student. हाँ, मुझे मालूम है. He's a new student, come from बचपन.
तो आप बेसिकली सब बच्चों के नाम याद रखते, सब याद रहते हैं आपको?
क्योंकि रोज आती है और बच्चे से गुड मॉर्निंग नमस्ते होता है तो बहुत ज्यादा इनको याद है. इनमें 70 तक याद है.
वो तो और इधर. And this is the class for preschool. शालिनी तुम्हारे चश्मा कहाँ भाग रहे?
चश्मा सही है मैम, हो जा रही है.
ठीक से ठीक. तुमको नींद आ रही है क्या? ठीक हो जाए, ठीक हो जाना, सामने आ जाना. देखो दीदी लोग क्या बोलेंगे, ये लेटी हो. सीधा हो जा. Very good.
Wow.
चलो सामने. This is Shalini, who her mother's a teacher in one of the schools.
One of the students.
Yeah. So
Hi Shalini, how are you?
that is Komal, Aarti.
I know Komal and Aarti.
You know.
Yeah, I know Komal and Aarti. Hi Komal.
Vibhu.
Vibhu, my घर का नाम है also
I
Vibhu.
know your.
Okay, the room is
Hey, कोई.
therapy and why kids need.
Occupational therapy helps the child to feel all its senses.
Senses, okay.
They become aware of all the senses. Now, if they put in the ball pool, the whole body gets stimulated. And for a small child, because when children have problems, so they need this kind of stimulation. Then this is what is this called here? Where they jump on it.
Even I can't remember. Trampoline something?
Trampoline.
Trampoline, yeah.
So this trampoline is a very good thing for them. Then there is that bean bag and thing where the children get different sensations.
Sensation. Stimuli.
So
So they learn to react to a certain stimuli.
yeah.
Let's go.
Then climbing and it's very hot here.
तो आपके हिसाब से जो चेंज आया पहले वी यूज्ड टू कॉल स्पेशली एबल्ड कल डिसेबल एंड वी चेंज द टर्म टू स्पेशली एबल्ड मतलब विकलांग से दिव्यांग तो इस पर्टिकुलर टर्म चेंज आपके हिसाब से कितना
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता
Actually, लोगों को मानसिकता पे है. How you understand disability, how much you accept, whether it is divyang or viklang, it makes little or no difference. How people now, one person came, they want to help. That is more important. That attitude is more important. The terminology doesn't affect.
terminology doesn't change anything.
No.
It's just about the mindset of the people. And this whole reason the center is working to change the mindset of the
Set
people.
of people. This is working, it is achieved quite a bit. This is where our children come for music. And
Music.
they're very happy over here.
You told me something that music heals or they connect.
It's a therapy. अच्छा वहाँ भी खाना खा. Actually, the kitchen is made in such a way a wheelchair can go underneath, and the child can learn to cook.
Child can learn to cook.
Yeah, we have to teach them survival cooking.
Okay, so that they can
Yeah.
be on themselves. Like खुद से ही सब कुछ कर सकते हैं.
कुछ तो बना सकते हैं, कुछ तो खा सकते हैं.
अच्छा हाँ इसीलिए इसका प्लेटफॉर्म सीधा बनाया है कि व्हीलचेयर जा सके.
Right. It's open from that side, and the platform is in such a way the wheelchair goes underneath, so the child can work on top. Now all these ramps is for the wheelchairs and for children to walk easily.
Easily, yeah.
So the whole center is designed.
In a way that it is accessibility. What is upstairs, ma'am?
That's the sheltered workshop.
Okay.
The children who need to be trained to use their hands and to make stuff and all,
जी.
we take them up.
So what we do about this stuff? Like
We try and sell them. Now we are going in September. We'll have one sale, big sale, and yeah.
so we are basically kids generate funds for the center
For
as well.
themselves,
For
हाँ.
themselves and the center as well.
Because we charge them very what you call subsidized fees, no?
Fee, yeah.
We spend much more.
Yeah, I see the occupational therapy, speech therapy, physiotherapy. We'll talk about that later.
Yeah.
Is there, and so we need a good revenue model also.
Yeah,
right?
absolutely. If you want to be sustaining for a long
time. So we are working. She's Meenakshi ma'am.
Meenakshi, Mrs. Kanchan Devnani is in charge of this place.
So Kanchan ma'am basically handles all the operations here.
These are gift envelopes, Our children love to make it because they're not very big, they're small, and so they've done them all very nicely.
तो इंडिया में हमारे ना ये व्यवहार देने का कल्चर बड़ा है
हाँ।
शादियों में, तो उसके लिए ना हम लोग ये लिफाफे
Yeah,
स्पेसिफिकली
we
बनते हैं.
those two. This is Kanchan, Mrs. Kanchan. Yeah, she takes care of the sheltered workshop, and so she'll know better about the products if you can show them.
तो कंचन मैम बच्चों को आत्मनिर्भर बना रहे हैं एक तरीके से, वी कैन से.
बच्चे अपने आप
बच्चों को
थोड़ा सा पुश करना
पुश
पड़ता
कर
है.
रहे हैं और सेंटर को भी आत्मनिर्भर बना रहे हैं. इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल मैम, इट्स सो प्रिटी कोस्टर्स. अगली बार आप चाय का कप ना रखने से पहले कोस्टर पे रखो, टेबल खराब हो जाती है. हमारे बच्चों ने बनाए हैं सब सुंदर से.
I know.
This is one more new product which we are making this time. This bag, different bags, these coasters.
Okay, we
We
have
have
more.
not started marketing it.
But this is very nice.
They are very beautiful, yeah.
Posters.
मतलब अगर ये
made out of waste.
yeah,
I know.
they are made of waste.
Wallpapers.
भाई देखो ये एस्थेटिक से कोस्टर्स आपको जो दिख रहे हैं ना, ये एस्थेटिक आजकल की जो जेनजी वाली लैंग्वेज बोले, दिस मेड ऑफ वेस्ट एंड यू कैन हैव देम, यू कैन बाय फ्रॉम द सेंटर एंड यू कैन सपोर्ट द सेंटर थ्रू
And how much
दिस
is this? Shopping bags
शॉपिंग बैग.
She's like papers.
So
made with patches.
patches. So basically this is called upcycling. ठीक है, recycling is a word, this is upcycling. We are reusing and making the waste material into something more
Actually not recycling, this is
upcycling. Yeah.
I would say 80% are all upcycling. 80%.
So we can say the center is sustainable and promote upcycling,
Environment friendly.
environment friendly. Yeah, in we are more
They are green.
we agree.
It's all organized.
This
Here, this is the start of our Diwali project.
Diwali project. So what we do in Diwali project, ma'am?
The main Diwali project is Diya.
About
Diya
the diyas. घर में मतलब हम जो दिया
कुछ बना हुआ है. Actually, these come like this, and then they do the decoration.
so they make the normal diya
Yeah,
special.
meet Bhumi. Come forward.
Hi Bhumi, how are you?
She's done her class, passed her class 12, and she's doing very well.
So what Bhumi is doing here अब?
I'm teaching over here.
अच्छा teaching. Speech दे. Okay.
She's coming.
She was once a student of the center
Yeah,
and now she's a teacher.
She just cleared her class 12.
हाँ, she just cleared. When
April, May.
April. Bhumi worked really hard, I guess. We are not. She always wanted to be a teacher and now she's teaching in the center.
Actually-
Yeah, and she fulfilled her dream.
She always wanted to come to help the younger children. So
बच्चे
very-
बेसिकली सेंटर में आते हैं अपने सपने पूरे करने एंड यू हेल्प देम टू फुलफिल देयर ड्रीम. मुझे याद है आप बता रही थी एक बच्चे के बारे में जो कंप्यूटर इंजीनियर बनना चाहता था. मैं अनंत की बात करूं.
हाँ.
एंड नाउ ही इज डूइंग सो वेल इन
Yeah.
हिज लाइफ.
I'm telling you, it's because you all don't know him when he came as a kid, no?
Yeah.
As a very small boy, and he could not write very well. So I put him on the first computer that came to the center was on with his thing. He and there was another girl, Neha. They couldn't write, so I made them get onto the computer.
तो ये वही है ना, when we see that's what leaders do. They purposely focus on your strength. You focus on your strength.
Yeah.
And now he's a computer engineer
Yeah.
working in some MNC.
Yeah.
You basically set an example how we can normalize this.
Yeah, absolutely. Actually, the sad thing, Vaibhav, we have not been able to do it with other children. Other students who are past class 12.
Okay.
They are all idle at home because there is no one who's ready to give them a job.
Jo.
It's very
Anand
difficult.
paved his way, sort of.
Anand, because he did his professional course and then he found his own job.
Own job, yeah. And subsequently, he is doing content creation and doing so well.
Yeah.
We'll talk about Anant later. Well, let's talk about the Diwali project. So, हम ये दिए दिवाली में क्या करते हैं? रेडी करते हैं, डेकोरेट करते हैं, and we
हाँ.
sell them, and these दिया generate
They are
the funds.
packed. They're packed
Packed
in, they're packed in fancy packing, and also it looks very nice. Oh, the kids doing them, showing her the finished product.
Their interns too.
Yeah, they are also in.
Yeah. You can see how beautiful these are. ये
Yeah.
बच्चों ने पेंट करें, पता है सबसे अच्छी बात है बच्चों ने पेंट करें. It gives them sense of achievement that they have done something.
Actually, and then they get paid for it.
And they get paid for it, you know.
If we are not giving them fancy amounts, but they get a stipend which for them, that 5 rupees also is like 500 rupees.
500 rupees. Yeah, it's a sense of achievement basically.
Very
So this is not like some corporate job जहाँ
Yeah.
पे interns को पैसे नहीं मिलते हैं. हर बच्चा जो दिया बना रहा है, they get paid. You just look at it, so beautiful. ये कैंडल मैं पर्सनली खरीद रहा हूँ दिवाली के लिए अपने घर में. तो मैं मुझे पर्सनली बहुत अच्छी लगी. आप देखो ना ये प्रोडक्ट सब बच्चों ने बनाए. So if we generally want to accept these kids,
Yes.
we have to buy these products.
Yeah.
We have to support such initiative.
And then कितने साल से?
13 साल हो गए
13 साल
13
से.
साल से मैम.
Yeah, she came as a
11 या 12 साल से हो गए ऐसे हो गए
No.
11 12 हो गया मैम
मुझे नहीं मालूम.
2013 में आए थे
तो एज अ स्टूडेंट आई थिंक कि मतलब
No, she came as a graduate
जी.
physiotherapist, and now she is a postgraduate.
And she's doing she's handling the physiotherapy center.
Yeah.
So abhi we'll be visiting physiotherapy center. I don't know, this place gives me so much peace.
Yes, it is.
This
The
place
aura.
is peaceful. The aura
The aura.
around this place.
The aura of this place is very nice, and even our children like to come and sit under the tree.
Under tree.
Because
I
it-
feel a tree have healing powers.
It has the best, feelings you get under a tree.
So this is our computer.
Come, I'll show you.
Okay.
नमस्ते. अरे वाह, सलोनी आ गई. हाँ सलोनी.
हर बच्चे का नाम याद रहता है मैं.
कैसे बोली? शी इज नियर माई हाउस. आई नो हर फ्रॉम द बेबी व्हेन शी वाज अ बेबी.
मैम हमेशा स्माइलिंग फेस से मिलती है आपको. चाहे
Yes.
कुछ भी चल रहा हो.
हाँ, जब गुस्सा भी है तब भी स्माइलिंग.
फेस.
This is Renu. Renu also been with us for many years. She does computers with the children, and she does all the special children over here.
So this is what we call gravity. This kid come for the internship for 7 days. Now she is doing an internship for 4 weeks. और किसी ने इससे कहा नहीं कि तुम्हें 4 हफ्ते इंटर्नशिप करनी है या 10 दिन करनी है. तो ये इस जगह की स्ट्रेंथ पावर है. इसीलिए इस जगह को ग्रेविटी बोलते हैं. सब खिंच के चले आते हैं, पता है. So how are you doing? How was the internship?
It is going great. I love volunteering, meeting new people and everything. And the work they're doing here is fabulous.
What is the one thing that you learned from the center?
It was today that the students started coming back. So working with them and learning that they even have a lot to teach us. The patience and everything that the teachers have and everything is fabulous. And the way they celebrate small things. Like we had a birthday celebration today. So everything was great.
So it gives you a feeling of contentment, you know.
Very.
So we are heading toward
The main where the physiotherapy goes on.
yeah.
The offices are there, administrative offices.
The parents basically we have to console them that it's not.
Yeah, you listen to them,
Listen to them.
hear their problems, find out what's happening with them. This is the administrator's office. This is Shiv Karan's office. This is a picture of our founders. This is Vig and Mrs. Singh, Santosh and Inderjit Singh. Yeah, they are the ones who set the tone of our center when we began in 1990. We are entering the physiotherapy area. The physiotherapy area has been the first thing that we had started because our children had cerebral palsy.
Okay.
So with cerebral palsy, physical therapy is the only thing that can improve the children. Sanjay, आप ही बताइए.
This is the heart and soul of the center, the physiotherapy center.
The main where the children, they come as babies and
Yeah.
then they start improving. They start walking. They start doing more activities.
Activities.
The parents feel very happy.
Happy. So basically this particular place
See,
of the center.
the children can't hold their neck.
Okay.
They can't balance themselves. They can't sit when they come here. They can't do any physical activities. Then they have a lot of physical therapy for the children it strengthens their muscles and they can become they're doing much better.
Much better. So basically, this place is giving hope.
कितने लोग बच्चे
Today's system operation is 30.
what
30.
Yeah.
जी आज स्टार्ट जुलाई का फर्स्ट डे था
कल स्टार्ट हुआ, कल तो रेन
rain,
आज से करो।
So
So we
started with
have
30 people catering, 30 people a day. That's a huge thing. ये basically जगह आप कह सकते हैं hope देती है उन पेरेंट्स को जिनको लगता है कि
बिल्कुल
acceptance मुझे लगता है शुरुआत इसी जगह से होती
यही
है
से होता है।
Yes.
हाँ, कि हाँ things are can be okay and हम उसको as it is accept करना चाहिए। acceptance इसी जगह से आता है।
एक पेरेंट दूसरा पेरेंट को बताते
बताता है
कि भैया हम आए थे, मेरा बच्चा बैठ भी नहीं पाते थे, अभी बैठना शुरू किया, अभी खड़ा होना शुरू किया, इस तरह से द गुड न्यूज इज गिवन फ्रॉम वन टू द अदर।
So don't you think the operations are very costly? ये पूरा
यस एंड नो,
ये सन
मतलब कह नहीं सकते वैसे कि we keep our fees at the minimum. Yeah, we do not charge the kind of fees that we would have charged commercially.
commercially the type of
Yeah.
care and
Yeah.
you know,
And our therapists
attention.
are all very dedicated people.
Yeah, I feel like they are working for so long.
Yeah.
So this some when you
Next,
work
I'll say
20 running, 20 years.
20 years, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पैसा आपको इतना ड्रिवन नहीं बना सकता एक जगह पे रुकने के लिए। कुछ पैसे से बियॉन्ड चीज़ है। मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल ग्रेविटी, इट पुल्स यू, दिस सेंटर पुल्स यू, यू कैन नॉट गो अवे फ्रॉम द सेंटर।
yeah.
So-
I agree.
सर इज स्टेइंग फ्रॉम लाइक मोर देन 20 years, तो पैसे से बड़ी अभी वी गॉट टू नो मैम इज स्टेइंग फ्रॉम लाइक 13 years 11 12 years। नहीं, मुझे लगता है मैम कोई सेंटर में आता है फिर जा नहीं पाता। आप नहीं जा पाई 30 साल से। तो दिस इज मैम्स वर्क प्लेस, यू कैन सी द टेबल जहाँ पे वो पेरेंट्स से मिलती हैं। एंड ऑफिस बोल रहा हूँ तो मैम एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रही मैम, व्हाई इट्स नॉट योर ऑफिस?
Office is a very cold word, and this place is full of warmth. I like it to be the door to be open, and I like parents to walk in.
Okay, so yeah.
I'm not there is like today you said may I come in? No, not for my parents.
So you can come anytime this place. This is like, that's why it's not office.
Yeah.
We basically have seen the whole center now. What are the challenges like you're here from like more than 30 years?
My biggest challenge is employment for the children who do their class 10 and 12. They do their studies एक उम्मीद लेके कि हम कुछ जॉब हम करेंगे, काम हम कुछ पैसा अर्न करेंगे, just like normal student, like normal people.
Normal people, yeah.
But somehow the other, I am a failure on this point because we are not able, other than like one odd
Anand.
Anand and there's another boy who self-driven, they've got jobs.
Self-driven, yeah.
But yeah, it's very difficult to get jobs for our children. I feel very sad. I mean, वही एक बड़ा मुद्दा है, a challenge. The second challenge is our children grow old and their parents die.
Okay.
Now, who looks after such children? How are they taken care of? So we have to be. I mean, I've been always talking about it. बातें करना बहुत आसान
बहुत
है.
आसान है।
To come to the ground level and do something for them, to start a home where they can have a safe place
Safe
to live
place
in.
to live in. Work.
नहीं हो पा रहा.
So basically we are trying to make the society inclusive, लेकिन अभी reality जो है ground reality is completely different.
Very
बस
different.
नाम change करने से, disabled से specially able करने से हम major difference नहीं ला पाए
ना.
जो हमें लाना था।
No, that's why I told you that. No,
Yeah.
it's not that.
So like are there any success stories हमारी?
There are plenty of success stories because we enjoy our success in small steps. We don't look for big steps. You know, this Saloni was sitting over there. Now, if we see even a small improvement for us, it's a very big thing.
Yeah.
She's a growing girl. She has lot of problems at home. She gives a lot of trouble to her parents. And if she is able to cope better, for us that is a success. Then the other child who's come back to us.
Yeah.
छोटे छोटे चीज़ों में हम लोग success.
There was this guy who went to Paralympics.
We have two students who went. Abhyansh.
Abhiyansh, okay.
Abhyansh Shukla is a boy who went for the cycling Olympics to Los Angeles,
Los Angeles.
and he got 2 medals and came.
That's huge.
Yeah, but that's another failure on my part because we have not been able to see. He went, he saw the world. It's not a simple thing for a boy to go to Los Angeles, travel back and forth, and meet so many people and not. He couldn't come back and readjust to here, and I think of it as a personal failure because that boy should have been mentally prepared to go and come back.
Come back, yeah.
We prepared him to go, but we didn't prepare him to come back to the same scene. And then after those 2 medals and all, we brought him band baja ke saath andar laya. We gave him all the honor he needed, but he couldn't get back to the. Then another student went to Dubai in the volleyball team. He was very sad because they got silver.
Okay.
They didn't get gold. So anyway, that boy he's left us now because he's doing his class 10. His father thinks he can do it better privately, so he's doing it at home.
And there was this guy, Anant. We have discussed
Yeah.
about Anant.
In the very initial years, very, very initial, this was the number of children we had at that time. And all these children have grown up,
This is you,
and this is me.
ma'am, Singh
Yeah,
ma'am.
this is Mrs. Singh.
The visionary Singh ma'am who initiated this whole campaign.
She was administrator that time, and Mrs. Vig, Saroj Kalra, and Mrs. Sethi, who subsequently was the administrator. She was the first administrator, then she joined.
So started from here, now started from bottom, now we're here.
And this is Mr. K.D. Bajpai. This is Mr. Mishra, the speech therapist.
Tell us something about Singh ma'am.
Mrs.
The founder.
Singh.
Like what was in her mind before she started?
See, actually, there was a lady from Amsterdam.
This Mrs. Singh.
No, this is another person.
Yeah.
Mrs. Hortensia Mars.
Okay.
It was her idea to start something for the disabled in Kanpur because there was nothing in Kanpur.
What were her vision?
Her vision was to have a place for where children would get therapy and improve. See, we began with only cerebral palsy.
Okay.
So cerebral palsy has a fixed number of problems which can be improved only with therapy and with speech therapy, and so she thought we should do that, an infant stimulation program. But when she realized that there were other children who were not getting the same care, like children with mental retardation was the first group of children we took in. And then as the children started growing up, preschool was we had already started preschool, but what we didn't think of what happens after preschool.
Mm-hmm.
And so that's my educational, I was a teacher and that came into
The place.
I said no. I've gone to Bombay and I saw, institutions, how they are managing.
Yeah.
This whole concept of open school, the whole concept of class-wise children studying at different levels, that started. And I think that was a big impetus for the parents. Parents couldn't believe their children could read and write.
Right. So basically, you had a mindset shift for the parents to believe in their children, believe in their special. Yeah. Okay. This is a huge thing, man.
Yeah, that was a big step.
Big step. Yeah.
When you are in it, you're doing it, you don't realize it.
Realize it. Yeah.
When you look back,
yeah.
when you say, oh, that was the reason. Because I remember going to Bombay, my sister used to take me to all these special schools. And I wanted to know how they are proceeding. And so I had and we were also affiliated to Calcutta.
Calcutta.
IICP. So then lots of inputs. Then
Yeah.
I went to the States in '95 to get training. But in 6 weeks, you cannot learn much, but you can be exposed to a lot.
So that exposure helped you to make
To-
significant changes here.
Yeah,
Okay.
to have a vision for
Vision for this place.
That
So
was in
where do you
95.
see this center after like 10 years from now?
Well, I hope inclusive education takes over,
Takes over, okay.
and all our children should be in normal schools.
Normal schools. That's the vision.
That's my vision. Because the faster they go to normal schools, the more they will come. They will be in society.
In the mainstream of the society.
Right.
Yeah.
The mainstreaming of the children is very important.
Very important.
We are very, very backward in it. I mean, I'm not talking of Delhi, Bombay, Chennai. These are they are gone.
Tier
way
1
ahead.
cities are there. They have like
Yeah.
they're way
But
ahead. Yeah.
we people in Kanpur are at a very big drawback. धीरे धीरे से
धीरे
चल
से
रहा है.
चेंज होगा. मुझे एक feeling आती है when I come to the center. The first thing that I saw in the center was Mrs. Singh picture. घुसते ही and
Yeah.
I don't know. I feel her in the center. This her
Yes.
soul
Yes,
is in the
yes.
center.
She lived for the center.
Center and like I can feel her.
She lived for the center. You won't believe. I would get a call at 10 o'clock in the night, 10:50 or 10:30 in the night. Mira, what are you doing for tomorrow? This has to be done, that has to be done. Well, I used to, I had vowed I'll never become like her.
But you eventually become her.
I was fighting against it. I thought she was so totally immersed. No?
Immersed in the center. Now you are totally immersed in the center.
Yeah, and I actually, you understand the nuances much better, which people who come for a short, they don't get it. They don't get the whole thing. Yeah, chal raha hai.
I wish we could meet her. I don't know, her aura seems so magical.
Yes.
When you see those pictures of
Yes.
Mrs. Singh's aura is so magical.
No, she is. She was she was a British accent.
Accent.
Perfect. She was so perfect in her speech,
Speech.
and she was so artistic. She had lots of talents, and she was very conscious of making other people grow.
And that's what leaders do.
Yeah, I was very fortunate, and I still laugh at that. She wanted a video made on, and those days, I'm talking of 30 years ago, making a video was a big deal. Huh?
Yeah.
But she wanted a video made of the center, and she wanted me to be the script writer, which I never used in my life. But you learn. I just made the steps of what all we should be doing, and then we did. It didn't come out as great as it. We had some very sweet things, the children singing songs. And
So whatever we are doing today, you have already done like 30 years back. 30 years back. That was her vision.
yeah,
That visionary she
what I'm
was.
saying. She was so cards, making greeting cards. That time because wo zamana tha. She was so good. She was so particular. If anybody gave us a donation, we should thank. Write a letter and thank. That was her. वो तमीज़ था उस टाइम का. और अभी भी मेरा पास में she's left it with me that I have to do it. And Mrs. Wig
Ji.
was another lady who was such a generous soul, I can't tell you. हमारे पूरा बच्चों को लेके उनका घर जाते थे स्वरूप नगर, cook food for them, give them a treat and send them back. I mean, where will you get people like that?
Like this, yeah. That's why we named this documentary Gravity. ऐसे लोगों ने सेंटर की नींव रखी जिसकी वजह से आप अगर इस सेंटर में एक बार भी एंट्री करते हो एंड व्हेन यू वर्क विद दीज किड्स, और जब आप आसपास का माहौल देखते हो ना, एक पैसे से बड़ी एक चीज जो खुशी देती है ना, सेटिस्फैक्शन, वो इस जगह मिलती है. तो जो लोग यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं ना, वर्क कर रहे हैं 20-22 साल से, 10 साल से, 15 साल से, वो इसीलिए कर रहे हैं. और आई फील ग्रेटफुल बाय मेकिंग दिस डॉक्यूमेंट्री. मैंने इसका नाम ग्रेविटी इसीलिए रखा है कि देयर सम पुल इन दिस प्लेस, आप आओगे यहाँ से नहीं जा पाओगे। और उसकी वजह ये है कि जिन लोगों ने नींव रखी है उनका इंटेंशन बहुत प्योर था, उनके एक्शंस बहुत प्योर थे। वो जो विजन यहाँ प्लांट करके गए हैं और आप देख सकते हो आज भी वो कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो रहा है। एंड एक चीज़ और है ग्रेविटी से, मतलब ये है कि ग्रेविटी हमें ज़मीन पर रखती है, हमको होल्ड करती है ज़मीन पर। तो ये जगह पर आप आओगे ना, यू फील सो हम्बल्ड, आपको लगेगा कि आपकी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। तो फाइनली ग्रेविटी आपने देखी, आपको कैसी लगी? और सबसे जरूरी बात, ग्रेविटी नाम ही क्यों चूज किया हमने, कोई और नाम क्यों नहीं चूज किया? क्योंकि ग्रेविटी हमको यहाँ जमीन पे रखती है। अगर हम ग्रेविटी नहीं होगी, हम उड़ने लगेंगे ना हवा में। वैसे ही ये जो डॉक्यूमेंट्री थी, ये आपको एक आईना दिखाने की थी कि हमें कितना ग्रेटफुल होना चाहिए लाइफ में। हमें मतलब हम कितना प्रिविलेज्ड हैं कि हमारे हाथ पैर सही हैं, हम एकदम सही कंडीशन में हैं। और दूसरा एक रीजन था कि हमारी ये जिम्मेदारी है कि हम इन सबको बराबर मौका दें, जितने भी स्पेशली एबल्ड बच्चे, क्योंकि ये उतना ही एफर्ट डाल रहे हैं। और बेशक मैं तो ये कहता हूँ हमसे बेहतर एफर्ट डाल रहे हैं। इसलिए हमें आपकी नीड है। ग्रेविटी बनाने का मेन मोटो ये था कि ये जो बच्चे हैं, इनकी एजुकेशन फंड करनी है हमको। हम चाहते हैं कि इनकी एजुकेशन को आप फंड करें। आप एक बच्चा भी अगर सपोर्ट करेंगे तो आप एक लाइफ में बहुत बड़ा चेंज ला सकते हैं। क्योंकि आप अपने बच्चे को तो अच्छे स्कूल में पढ़ा लोगे, लेकिन इन बच्चों का जो एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट मार रहे हैं उनका क्या होगा? तो धन्यवाद। आपको डॉक्यूमेंट्री अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज इसको जरूर शेयर करिएगा अपने लव्ड वंस के साथ।
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिल